Hey there. Today I want to show you five background remover website that can automatically remove background from your images without any struggle. You need to bookmark this. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first I'm going to show you is very very cool, but just watch to the end because the fifth one is my favorite. I'll show you why. Now let's go over the first we're going to look at here is remove.bg. All right, so just type remove.bg on your device, on your URL. You will see this website there. This has been for ages. All right, now I'll tell you why this is cool, but I'll show you something else that is better. Now click on upload image. All right, so we're going to get the image that we're going to be. All right, so this is the image right here. I have clicked on the image and watch what happens in just seconds. Within 3 seconds, this guy will remove the background very very well. All right, so the magic is being done, as you can see it right here. Okay, so the background has been removed. Now the thing about remove.bg is that there are two options right here. Okay, there are two options right here. You have this option that said download HD, and you have this option here that said download. Now if you want to download HD, you'll be required to sign up. All right, get this image for free, so you have to sign up to get this image HD. All right, or you can just click here at once to download it. All right, you can just click here directly to download it. If you click here directly to download it, you will download your image, but it may not really come in a very high resolution. So you can use this, but it is not the best. You can use it for simple objects. All right, simple objects like maybe like the things that you want to use for your design, not particular image. If you want high quality background remover, there is something else I'm going to show you right here. So let's go over to the next one is called, just type photo room background remover. All right, photo room background remover. This is the second one. This is better rough than remove.bg. All right, but you can use and maximize all of them. Now for photo room, I can stay here. Okay, all right, verify that you're a human. Success, forget about that. All you have to do is to, as usual, click on the button there. Then you will see that this one, they're not going to tell you, give you option of downloading an ordinary image and downloading in HD. All right, you can see it right here. Okay, all this guy now. All right, so you can see that there's no option. You can just edit it for free. As you can you see, the quality is very very sharp. Are you seeing it now? Compared to remove.bg, this is sharper. All right, and you can just click on download and your image will be downloaded. All right, so you still have options, but it's still going to be cool. There's a standard option that is high resolution, which is going to give you the pro. All right, you can see these two. This one is cool, it's sharp, but they still give you option to download either as a standard, download as standard, yeah, or in HD. All right, this is very very cool, right? Now apart from this one, we have another background remover that is super amazing. So let me show you that one. All right, so the next is Slazas. Slazas is another background remover tool. You can just click on this. As you can see, you go over here, upload your image, and you let it to load for a few minutes. It will process and your image will be ready for download. Now I'm comparing these options to see the best. All right, you can use this for quick background removing. All right, look at this. Now look at this. They are still giving you two options, right? You can see the download option and you can see the download in HD. And usually when you want to download the HD, you will be required to get a credit. And this credit, you have to sign up to get that credit. All right. It's easy to sign up. You can use Google to sign up with your email or your Gmail. Okay. Now, apart from these ones I just mentioned, all right, there is another one I'm going to show you right here. One other amazing background remover is FreePick. All right, FreePick. Now, when you go to FreePick like this, FreePick, you can search on the image that you want to use for a design. Let's say a corporate business man. All right. Now let's assume that this is what you want to use for your design. Instead of downloading it here and then taking it over to any other platform, any other background removers platform to remove the background, you can just go over here right here on FreePick. You can remove the background just like you can see here. Just click on that button and that is all. So click on it like this, remove background, and wait for it. Your image, the AI will remove the background and it's going to be downloaded very sharp in high quality. This one, you don't have to pay for it, especially if the image you are removing the background is free. Right? If it's not premium, just like this, then you cannot download. Click here to simply download it in PNG. And you will see if I click on that, it's going to save to my phone in high definition. Let me show you that. I've clicked on it now. So watch, 1.92 megabytes. So you should know that it's very, very sharp already. Are you getting me now? So let's confirm that it's very sharp. Now the last background remover tool I want to show you, it is very, very amazing. I want you to try it out and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe. So the last one I'm going to show you is called Adobe. This is from Adobe itself. You can see this one will help to remove background from your image for free. Now let's find out if they are going to give us two options. Whenever they are giving us two options, it means that you have to pay to get the best quality for your background remover. All right, so let's go over here. How to remove background. The first thing, you need to select the image, remove the background, continue editing if you want. So the thing you want to do right here is to click on this upload your photo. All right, the one we can see right here now, this one, upload your photo. So I'm going to click on it right here and I'm going to go over here and I will select the photo, the same image. Now let's see the magic that will be done with Adobe Express. Let's see. Now it has been uploaded. I am waiting for the magic to start. So I'm still waiting. See, it's removing the background and then it's going to refine the edges for you, just like you can see right here. Mix some out, remove it in background. It's telling you exactly what's happening here, refining the edges, and cool. This is it. Can you see that now? Now you can see that it is very, very sharp. Even though all the images was not very, very removed, you can edit it and remove that other image that's right there. But what I want you to pay attention to is the quality. Are you seeing it now? I want you to pay attention to the quality, how sharp it is. All right, so we can come here to see other options. Now look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. You can resize your image. All right, you can crop the image, you can convert to PNG, you can convert to SVG, that's another format. You can convert to JPEG, and you can see right here, this is what I am very, very interested in. You can see right here that it is free to use. You don't need any credit card. There are no two options to download a low version and a HD version. It is just one version, means that you are getting the best quality. Are you getting me now? So all you have to do, if you're done with this remove background, you can just come here, click on download, and your image will be downloaded to your phone. You see it's exporting already. I hope you got value from this video. Tell me, among these ones I just showed you, which of them is your favorite? Which of them is the best? You can see it at 6 megabyte. Can you see that now? 6 megabyte. The other ones have been 1 megabyte, maybe kilobyte. This is 6 megabyte. You can see the quality. Are you seeing it now? The quality is still very, very sharp. I want you to check and tell me which is the best, and I will see you in another video. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Niyamuda TV, for more tutorials like this. I'll see you. Tell me which one is the best for you. Which one is the best? Which one have you tried at? Let me know.